Now we are going to find the equation of the angular bisectors. To find the equation of the bisectors of the angle between the lines L1 and L2. Now here is a figure I have drawn. Now let the lines be L1 A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and L2 A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Now first of all let me define what is angular bisector. Okay. Now an angular bisector of the two lines is the locus of a point which is equidistant from the two lines. Say L1 and L2. Okay. So this is what the angular bisector. Now let P with the coordinates h comma k be the point on the bisector. Then distance of PM is equal to distance of Pn. Okay, now using the distance for a perpendicular distance from a point to a line, what we are having? A1h plus B1k plus C1 upon A1 square plus B1 square is equal to A2h plus B2k plus C2 upon A2 square plus B2 square, square root of A2 square plus B2 square. Now locus of P h comma k is A1x plus B1y plus C1 upon A square plus B square is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 upon A1 square upon A2 square plus B2 square. Okay. Now hence equation of bisector between two lines L1 and L2, equation of the bisector, equation of the bisector of the angle, I forgot to write it, equation of the bisector of the angle between two lines L1 and L2 are given by because we will be having plus and minus both. Okay. So it will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a1 square plus b1 square is equal to plus minus, okay, a2x plus b2y plus c2 upon square root of a2 square plus b2 square is the required result.